Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you're doing well. So today we have an important lecture, what is the perfect CRT and how you can trade even in the bullish market. Okay, the first of all, many time you don't have access to this NQ chart because you have to pay some bucks to TradingView to get this chart. Why I'm using today this NQ chart of E-mini future index, E-mini future contract of Nasdaq, and also you see here D is minimum delay. The 10-minute the price action will be delayed here. So what you miss here in this chart, you miss some areas that ICT mentioned in their mentorship. I want to show you that one. So let's first start it with the marking of the area. First of all, you see the price are bullish. It took the liquidity of these lows, okay, and then running above. So before the FMC was on the Wednesday 17th of September. 16th of September, you see the price closed below of the previous candle. So as you know, if price is closing above of the candle, we make higher highs. If it's closed below, we expect for the lower prices. For the sake of a newbies, let me explain you what is the CRT. CRT is a one candle. It can be 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, high and low, week with week. So what happened basically, if the second day, second hour, second month candle go above and come back close below, you will first your entry point will be the model number 1, the last up close candle or last 3 candles or last order flow which close below that make it the change in the state of delivery, and you buy from in. And the second one, you wait for the kiss of death before it's meet your objective. All right, so here I will show you how many opportunities you can get once you are in the CRT model. But first of all, if you didn't see my previous video on the liquidity leg base, you have to see that one also. It will make you more informative about the liquidity. So here let's me mark out some important areas. Like here we have a volume imbalance. Okay, we have here a fair value gap. Okay, and then we shift into 1 hour time frame, and I want to show you here. Let's mark out the high as well of that CRT candle. Okay, this is the high of CRT candle, and this is the low, the opening, the range above range of the FVG, the bullish FVG. Okay, so let's go to the 1 hour time frame and let me show you here something. So here what happened, these two candles close below it, right? This become a perfect low. Why? Because this candle, red candle, took the high of that green candle, and this green candle took the low of that high, so it's become a pullback. So here it's close and give a huge FVG, okay, which we got respected. Should we wait for price come to our area? That time you want to see an SMT with ES, the SPN 500. Okay, so what we have here, I will show you many opportunities you can have in area. So our thinking is that price today will go to this area. Why? We have this leg low. I previously teach you the liquidity, right? Leg low and the leg high, right? So how we can trade, I also explained you before that you can enjoy the delivery to your objective, and from there you can enjoy to the opposite direction. Okay, so the leg low, leg high. Let's go to the 5-minute time, and I will show you what this look like. I also show you how I took the trade in macros, with this concept. Let's play. Now I also want to show you something. It will also make you the previous lecture liquidity. This is the leg low, this was the leg high, right? And let's mark out for sake, like you want to do the internal trade scalp. So you will see this is the Asia. See, price took the low of this low liquidity sweep, okay, and you will see also SMT here with US 500 as well. Price did not take the low, right? So it's also confirmed that you can take scalp until the nearest liquidity level. So what is that nearest liquidity level? Is your Asia high. This is the perfect liquidity levels 1, 2, 3, okay, and from here you can buy, just for your information, okay. So now what happened here exactly, what I want to show you, the kiss of death before market reach its objective. What happened here is took the liquidity of these areas, okay, Asia high with this liquidity, but the US 500 have failed to take the liquidity of these areas. You see, it become an SMT, which give you a confirmation that you can sell on these levels. You see, and this also happen what time? 350. What is that? Macros hour, okay, and reach your objective, the lowest, the nearest one, right? So what we have, let me go to the NQ1, because in US 500 you know the delay, and I want to show you something. So liquidity sweep, CRT, model number 1 after the change in the state of delivery, right? Market came and it will give you a reaction. Now here I want to show you how my I trade with macros with all these concepts. Let me open the macros. Macros open, okay, we have a perfect everything. We have this ICT CRT ICT 22 model plus optimal trade entry. We reach into the fair value gap in the premium, okay, and then in the macros hour we have to wait for inversion. I wait, I don't know about you, but I wait some confirmation like inversion that it will persist, because the FMC day we don't know what will going to happen, because you know as CRT 50% is the target of our first candle. So this happen, it give you a beautiful fair value gap, and from there you start trading high of this area, and your liquidity will be your that leg low, okay. You can take partial at 1.2 risk reward, and then I will also show you Here I also want to something show you. Let me show you in this macros time, because see, because this was the leg low that make high stock sweep, right? So when you are bearish, you will see this type of thing happen in this macros hour itself. You see the sweep, the inversion was happen, but we are bearish. Okay, so you will see these are sweet lows with this fair value gap, with this BPR, this uh, you see the bullish and bearish was merging. So you will see have a good sweep, and then you can take uh, on it. Like I will also show you that 1050 macros, that how you can avoid losses if you know where the direction. You see the macros open beautiful. You will see the liquidity sweep also. You can also see perfect here, like, and you think you have to buy from here, but wrong. We are bearish. You see we got these liquidity sweep of the point, of that low, that internal low, right? We got these two beautiful lows, and then we have this fair value gap, this small fair value gap. One is inversed. I am willing to take the trade from here. Stop loss above, and then target for your 1 2 yeah, 1 2 2. That's it. Sorry, my stop loss was a little bit away from there, because I took trade this one. That's why I know the better. Here again came, and then again goes up. The time I took the trade on this fair value gap, that's the time I remember. 1 2 2 above of this high and below little bit, because there was a 15-minute low was there. Yeah, I took the trade, and then what happened, it's again took this liquidity and went to the hour area, because I was seeing this thing. And actually what I want to see the reaction on the volume imbalance and this fair value gap, because my objective was from there. It's turned I am bullish when price reached to our volume imbalance, fair value gap. In 1 hour it was you say the CRT of this level, because we take the leg liquidity, and then it shifted, and my now next target was this one that I took yesterday trade. I also show you in my previous video. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you don't have any good prop from instant funding, I will give you the link in the description. Make sure you join from there, and have a nice day. Until next time, be safe.